Think this email is real? Give me 60 seconds. First, check the actual sender address, not just the displayed name. This says Cloudbox Security, but the domain contains a 0 instead of the letter O. Second, watch for urgency. You must verify your information within 30 minutes, or your account will be permanently closed. This is designed to make you panic and act without thinking. Third, hover over links before clicking. If the destination does not match the company's real website, stop. Fourth, be suspicious of unexpected attachments or requests for passwords, payment information, or verification codes. If it looks like it doesn't belong, chances are that it probably doesn't. Fifth, if the email does have logos or professional formatting, don't trust them because these are very easy to copy on their own. When in doubt, don't reply and don't use the email's link. Open the company's official app or type the website in yourself. If you believe the website is phishing, make sure to report it, delete it, and remember these 3 steps: pause, verify, then act.